So this is a chicken update. I think it's 4-5 weeks maybe. And first time they're out in the run at the allotment. These ones, where is it, this, these, I did say in the previous videos that they were meal floors, and the hens were, but the cockerel that they had in with them was a frizzle. So it looks like most of them has took the dad's side in the looks, because most of them look like feather dusters. Oh, bit of a scrap going on there, maybe 2 cockerels. Yeah, loving this. You won't think just a month ago that there was an egg. Hello. Oh dear. Them two don't like each other. Oh, it's nice to come in the run actually, because when Mr. Evil were in here I wouldn't come in it, because he was just, well, evil. So yeah, fabulous. And while I'm down here I'll do your sunflower update. Not the biggest. Look, lovely. Don't think I'll be winning any competitions. They're about, what, 4.5 feet? Yeah. They look nice though. Lovely. Okay, that's about it, so bye.